Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Lexis and Company and you're watching LexClick. In this video, I will talk about relinquishment deed. What is a relinquishment deed and what are the important features of a relinquishment deed? We will discuss it briefly. So, a relinquishment deed is basically a legal document or an instrument according to which individual releases or gives up his right of an heir in an ancestral property or another legal heir or co-owner of the property. When a person dies intestate, his property is divided among his legal heirs. In the case when heir to the inherited property wants to give up his right to another heir of the property, that is son, mother, brother, etc., a relinquishment deed may be formed. सो बेसिकली relinquishment deed क्या होता है? जब कोई भी पर्सन अपनी एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी में से अपने राइट्स गिव अप करके किसी और पर्सन को हु इज़ ऑल्सो पार्टी टू दैट एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी, उनको वो प्रॉपर्टी ट्रांसफ़र करता है, तो दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रांसफ़र और दैट पर्टिकुलर लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट थ्रू विच ट्रांसफ़र is being proceeded will be called as a relinquishment deed. What are the important features of a relinquishment deed? So it may be formed for any movable or immovable property and can be executed with or without consideration. So in relinquishment deeds, if it is not only limited to the immovable property, it can also be formed for a movable property. Then it can only be executed in favor of a legal heir of the joint Hindu family, not a third person. यानी कि if you want to transfer your property under this relinquishment deed, you need to transfer it to the member of that particular family. You cannot give it to the third person. The deed is irrevocable. It can only be cancelled if it is made without free consent and under coercion, mistake or fraud. यानी कि if you once transfer your property under this deed, then it cannot be revoked unless you prove that it was without a free consent. A relinquishment deed must be in writing and should be registered. It must be in writing. You cannot orally transfer your property under this deed. Now coming to the charges in Delhi, if you want to transfer your property under this by or through this deed. So in Delhi, the stamp duty is 6% in the case of men and 4% in the case of women, and that stamp duty should be paid through collector of stamps or SDM office. And registration fee for relinquishment deed is 1% of the total value of deed along with 100 rupees posting charges. And who pays the stamp duty? So the executor or executant will pay the stamp duty to that particular property. So this was all about relinquishment deed. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.